if you think you're too smart to be good at making friends, think again, because that makes no sense, all right? Smart people are actually more likely to have good social skills, and here's why. Number one is that you're more likely to understand people and make them feel validated, all right? There's actually a 2013 study that found that fluent intelligence in adults is significantly correlated with theory of mind performance, which apparently is basically the ability to understand what others are thinking and feeling. Makes sense, right? Now, number two is you know a lot of things. So it's easy to take one topic and then branch off to another topic because you're gonna connect the dots and think, oh, this reminds me of this and that, and you're just never gonna run out of things to talk about, questions to ask, etc. Okay? Number three is you have opinions. If you're smart, you know a lot of stuff and you have opinions about a lot of different things. So if you're brave enough to express your opinions about things, that's also just unlimited conversation. It's gonna make conversations just a lot more interesting. Now, of course, you still have to learn how to be a good listener and not just, talk about yourself and talk about what you think only, but it is really useful if you want to just have fun socially. Number four is that you like to understand things, which means you're curious, and that's going to make you more likely to want to ask questions, and it's going to make you more likely to ask the right questions as well, whether it's about things that you want to know more about or whether it's about people. And reason number five, and the last reason that we're going to talk about this time in this video, is that if you're smart, then you should be able to learn from what goes wrong socially, okay? And so you're going to learn from your mistakes, from your social mistakes, let's say. But it's important to specify, though, I would really encourage you to not let this lead to overthinking, okay? Because if you're constantly thinking about, oh, like this went wrong, I said something stupid, I should improve this and that, then it's just gonna, that means you're just gonna be in your head a lot, and that's gonna be counterproductive. So this is certainly one way in which being smart could be detrimental to being good at making friends. But I think a lot of people have this idea that if you're smart, it means you have to be socially awkward or whatever, or feel lonely and all alone. And it's just ridiculous. It really is. There's no reason that being smart should mean that you're not good socially. In fact, I mean, if you're intelligent, if you are intelligent overall, it should mean that you're going to be more intelligent socially as well, unless you're like, I guess, really, really super smart to a level that's like, that makes you disabled. But most likely that's not you. And if it is you, I have no idea what it's like to be in your head, so I probably can't help you. Most likely, if you are smart, most people watching this, by the way, are just of average intelligence, okay? But you can just, tell yourself that you're smart. That's fine. So, and of course, it's not necessarily because you're smart that you're gonna be emotionally intelligent. I understand that, there's gonna be exceptions. And maybe you're not good at it right now, but you can get good at it, okay? Because you're smart, but you don't need to be smart to become good at making friends, all right? Just learn how to do it and practice, meet a lot of people, and you'll be fine. This is gonna be great.